Meaning of Frank Lloyd Wright.
Frank Lloyd Wright.
Frank Lloyd Wright.
Frank Lloyd Wright.
Frank Lloyd Wright. Frank Lloyd Wright was an American architect and designer who lived from 1867 to 1959. He is known for designing many unique buildings, including homes, churches, and museums, as well as furniture and other decorative objects. His style emphasized simplicity, functionality, and harmony with the natural surroundings. His most famous works include the Falling Water House in Pennsylvania and the Guggenheim Museum in New York City. Today, he is considered one of the most important architects of the 20th century, and his ideas continue to influence modern architecture and design.